how are you? I'm fine, thank you. It's an old expression. I'm going to give you some training expressions. Instead of saying how are you, I'm fine, thank you, you can use them. Watch the video till the end and you'll sound a very fluent speaker. You'll sound a confident speaker. First, I'll give you all the expressions, then I'll give you how to answer. So here, the first one is, how's it going? How is it going? But you can shorten it and you can say, how's it going? See how nice it is. So it's very popular, okay? And then the second one is, how are you doing? The full form is, how are you doing? But you can shorten it, how are you doing? Remove R and you can say, how are you doing? It really sounds good. So you can use, this is also very, very popular. And then the third one, how been? The full form, how have you been? But you can shorten it, how been? And then the fourth one, how been doing? The full form, how have you been doing? But you can say, how been doing, this way. Okay, now the next, how is everything? How is everything? It sounds that you want to know everything about that person. So how is everything? You can use this way. Or you can say, how is everything going on? All right. And then the next, how are things? How are things going on? This way you can use. And then you can use the next, what's new? Or what's new with you? And then you can use what's up. But remember one thing, that it's more casual, it's informal. So use this one, what's up, with your only friend circles. Don't use it in any official language or in any official spoken language. Just use it with your friend circles, and you can use it to the persons whom you are very close. What's going on? It's a little American. What's going on? Okay, so I have given you all the expressions. Instead of saying how are you, I'm fine, thank you, you can use all these expressions. Now I'm going to tell you that how you can answer. If somebody asks you just like, how is it going? Then what you can answer? You can say, pretty good, I'm good, nothing much, this way. And the second one, just like, how are you doing? If somebody asks you, how are you doing? Then you can say, I'm doing well, I'm doing good. If you say it is incorrect, don't say I am doing good. It is grammatically incorrect. So instead of this, you have to say, I'm good, thank you, I'm pretty good. This way you can say. And if you want to ask back that person, then you can ask this way. If somebody asks you just like, how are you doing? I'm doing well, thank you. And what about you? And you? And how about you? It means in three ways you can ask back. And what about you? And how about you? And you. So each time, if you want to ask, choose one of them, one of these three, and you can ask back, okay? And then if somebody says to you, how have you been doing? So I've been doing well, thank you. Or you can say thanks. Or you can ask, and what about you? All right, so I hope that you have got. Okay, let me tell you, if somebody says that, how are things? Things are good, things are fantastic, things are all right. This way you can say. And what's up? Then what you can answer? A lot of people get confused. Oh, what's up? Then what should I answer? So what's up mean in Hindi it is क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. So what you can say that, what's up? Nothing much. Or if you want to say something more, what's up? Nothing much, just I'm reading the same book. Nothing much, I am doing the same project. Or you can say, what's up? Nothing much, I'm learning English. This way you can say. So now I have told you that what kind of the expressions you can use instead of saying how are you, I'm fine, thank you, and how to answer. I have told you everything. So dear friends, you have to practice all these expressions. Just go and practice in front of your mirror and you'll feel really a very confident speaker, a very fluent speaker. So use these expressions instead of saying how are you, I'm fine, thank you. And friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, because I'm going to upload many more videos related to English learning. Those videos will help you how to get your fluency, and you learn so many things which are not known to a lot of people, and they are making a lot of mistakes there. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications whenever we upload videos, and never forget to like and share the videos. Thank you. All the best. May God bless you. Bye bye.